Snooze, snooze. Stupid Mondays.
Monday, why? No. Bed good. Alarm bad. Alarm means peopling. No.
Monday morning alarm. I'm ready to go. Let's get up, bro. Let's go have a workout, then have a big breakfast, then have a shower. It's gonna be an awesome day. I love Mondays. Monday, Monday, Monday.
You get up now and look good today. Have a shower and feel good. Or you can hit the snooze bar twice and just use dry shampoo.
It's the morning. Have you taken your allergy meds? Oh, you better take your allergy meds or else it'll be a horrible day. Where are the allergy meds? Oh.
No. No. Throw the alarm. Throw the phone. Throw it across the room. No.
5 more minutes, bro. 5 more minutes. Let's chill for 5 more minutes. Okay. One more time, just 5 more minutes. Just one more 5 minutes. Okay, last snooze. Last snooze, please. Okay, this time really last snooze. It's just so comfy.
It's just another manic Monday. I wish it was Sunday, but it's just another manic Monday.
The alarm. Don't even get up. What's the point of getting up and trying to enjoy the day? Life's too hard and then you die. Don't even hit the snooze button. Just turn off the alarm. Hashtag I'm going back to sleep.
If only it were dawn on the third day, then Gandalf could come from the east and save us from Monday.
It's all gonna be okay. Just get me some coffee. Coffee fixes everything. Just get me some coffee, bro. Coffee.
Tell me why I don't like Monday. Tell me why I don't like Monday. Tell me why.
Alright, go get yourself a cup of coffee and hit that subscribe button. And maybe add in a teaspoon of likes.
Well, Gandalf may not be able to save us from Mondays, but it seems like coffee saves some people's Monday mornings. Leave us a comment below. What saves your Monday morning? Also, there's more cool CIMMS videos to watch. They're over there. We hope you enjoyed, and may the alarms be ever in your favor.